It's like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the brag.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.